Hey everyone, and welcome to another movie about Bitcoin news. There you have it. Bitcoin has not yet moved out of the range, but the market has moved away from our micro support area that I talked about a few hours ago. That I just talked about, you know what I mean? So clearly look at it in the last few days here between 66,783 and 67,200. That level, the 78.6 retracement, was very important. Yes, that was the most important level to keep the idea alive that this was a B wave slowdown in the yellow count and that the C wave could begin. It's good to see that we responded to the region, but the rally is only happening in 3 steps. Thus, it's not rash. I can now see that there are 2 choices. So first, from a short-term bullish point of view, the first possibility is that the C wave to the upside is an ending diagonal and that wave 1 has had 3 waves. In a diagonal finish, wave 1 is a 3-wave move, and so is wave 2, the wave 3 as well. After that, we should get a 4 and a 5. We'll see how far that goes. This is one thing that could happen. Because of this, I already told our gold members earlier today that the 78.6 FIP level needs to hold. Right now, it's around 67,650. Yes, I don't leave that on the chart, though. These moves are just too small. I think it's only important that we don't go below today's low. Yes, after that, this yellow count might make sense. You could also say that the triangle is coming together. This is becoming more and more of a thing after that refusal today. On the other hand, the D wave could still get longer. Yes, that could be it though. Is this an E wave? Perhaps. I'm not sure if this is all of wave D yet, so I don't know. It's not very big. In fact, though, it did make it to the defense area. That's why it did what it had to. So what if this is a triangle and this is the E wave going down? Would that really change anything? Not much would change. It might be trying to break out to the upside. There was no end to wave 4 because of the triangle. It kind of ends here and would break out to the top. And if wave 4 is already over, this is an A, B, and we expect a C wave to come up. It doesn't really make a difference. So this is where it's all about academics, which is kind of useless for trading because it's not that important. We need a count that works and tells us important support levels and points where the count doesn't hold up. We can keep our eyes on higher even as long as we hold today's low. This could happen in wave 4 of a triangle that is still forming, as a C wave to the top is already taking shape. Yesterday I did say that if this is the C wave up, it might not go all the way to 76,500. But in the grand scheme of things, it should do. That means it's possible that we are. There is a lot of speculation at this point, though, that this is just an A, B, and C framework. But that A, B, and C are actually joining together to make a bigger A. Then we get a B and a C, and it keeps doing this. That makes a little more sense in the bigger view. For one reason, an A, B, C can always grow into a bigger A. This is especially true if the current structure is, let's say, too quiet and isn't reaching its full potential. That's all very important. I mean, what will happen if we break below today's low? Now, the low from Thursday last week, around 66,300, is important. 64,370 is below that amount. After that, wave 4 would be bigger. Not likely right now. I believe we lose support. We're holding, after all, right? Sure, you never know. It's safe to say that the B wave topped in the white count below 64,370. Now we're coming down into the area around 55 to 58K in a bigger wave 4 correction that is still unfolding. In this case, in the white count, which is still going on. But nothing will change as long as we hold support and don't even break the first support. Today didn't really have much happen. It's just noise. We're just going sideways in a range. The best sign that wave 3 of the uptrend has begun is a break above today's high of 69,560. This would mean that the next move up has started. That is all I have to say about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Also, if you enjoy the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.